Tonight here at 6, a fierce debate at the state capitol as property taxes surge statewide. Tonight, the governor and Republican leaders pointing the finger at each other. Political Director Matt Smith tonight asking if there is any compromise in sight.
Tonight, property tax sticker shock. Wisconsinites seeing some of the largest property tax hikes in years.
I literally almost had a heart attack.
Democratic Governor Tony Evers calling on the Republican-controlled legislature to back his proposal, $1 billion in property tax relief funded using higher than projected state revenue.
All I know is that if we don't do something, we will be in a world of hurt.
However, today inside the state capitol, Republicans quickly rejecting that idea, blaming the governor for trying to fix a problem they say he created when he used his powerful veto power, allowing school districts to increase their spending for the next 400 years. And with no increase in state funding for schools in the most recent state budget, that increase is now falling on property taxpayers.
With this property tax proposal, would you need this if you wouldn't have had the 400-year veto?
I've never believed that before that 400-year veto, we were going to referendum all the time. So they can use that as an excuse if they want to. Let's just get this done. I don't believe that it has anything to do with it.
Republican leaders today promising to repeal the governor's 400-year veto.
One of the things that has to happen is we need Governor Evers to admit he made a mistake. I mean, he has been proudly touting the property tax increases with his 400-year veto.
So is your line in the sand on property taxes the governor has to agree to get rid of the 400-year veto before you'll negotiate?
Well, it has to be part of the discussion.
Any bipartisan agreement here at the Capitol would need to happen quickly. Lawmakers only expected here in the building through the start of the spring and then off for the rest of the year. At the Capitol, I'm Matt Smith, WISN 12 News.
Also today, the Republican-controlled Assembly passed a number of measures, including a bill that defines grooming, legislation in response to the Hannah Dugan case that would suspend a judge's pay if they are charged with a crime, and a proposed constitutional amendment after the pandemic that would prohibit the state from banning gatherings at places of worship during a state of emergency. Voters will see that question on the November ballot.